Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today we have for you a very nice Boss UTV snow blade setup. This is going to be for an X1100C. This is a 6-foot model. This is their UTV power angle snow plow. Power lift obviously has the front deflector. That is an option. Has their unimount style hitch. We're going to pull this off. This is an RTV that we had come in that we are going to keep for ourselves. So you are going to get the full harness. Everything will be included. The hitch, controller, everything you are going to need. Solenoid. We're going to pull the complete wiring harness off. Actually, we'll pull the bracket off here for the mounting. Everything will come with it. Right here is going to be the controller for it. This card only has 100 and some hours on it. Again, wiring harness, handheld, everything will be complete with it. Go ahead, Braden. Hold your button down. Power angle again. We'll run it clear around this for you. You can see everything works the way it's supposed to. This blade does not have hardly any wear on it at all. You can see that. It is a poly front. Very nice shape. It is all ready to go. 100% ready. It is on an X1100C. It's going to fit all your X models, and it should also go into the X900 models. Same mounting group. So understand it is complete. It is ready to work, and here it is. So 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.